This video will show you how to prepare the experimental plates for your slime mold experiments. Step 1. Prepare your clean agar plates. Step 2. Use a clean spatula to pick up an oat flake. Step 3. Place 4 groups of oat flakes near the rim of the plate. Each group should consist of 4 pieces of oat flakes. Ensure that the oat flakes that you pick are roughly of the same size. Next, use a clean spatula to pick up a piece of oat flake covered by slime mold. Do note that the slime mold may be sticky and soft. Place the slime mold fragment onto the center of the agar plate. The slime mold will grow outwards towards the food sources at the sides. After taking pictures of the experimental plates, store the plates in a cool, dark area that is unlikely to experience temperature fluctuations. Collect the plates after 24 and 48 hours of growth. Remember to take pictures of your slime mold with a ruler so that you know the scale of your image.